Good morning, students. My name is C.H. Devi. I working as chemistry lecturer in Dr. Lankapalli Bullai College in Visakhapatnam. Today we will discuss identification tests of alcohols and phenols. In first identification tests of alcohol is from KMnO4. From KMnO4. Now in this one, you take primary alcohol. Now CH3, CH2, OH. Now this primary alcohol is involving in oxidation with KMnO4. Now primary alcohol turns to aldehyde. Primary alcohol turns to aldehyde group. Now this aldehyde is involving in further reaction with KMnO4. Now aldehyde group turns to acid functional group with same number of carbons. What is this name? Acetaldehyde. Now you take secondary alcohols. Now the secondary alcohols is oxidation with KMnO4. Now the secondary alcohols turns to ketone functional group. Secondary alcohols turns to ketone functional group. Now this ketone functional group does not involving in further reaction with KMnO4. Now another one, you take tertiary alcohols. Now this tertiary alcohols is treated with KMnO4. Now tertiary alcohol group turns to alkane. Tertiary alcohol group turns to alkane. Now this alkene is involving in further reaction with KMnO4. Now alkene group turns to ketone functional group. Alkene group turns to ketone functional group with byproduct formic acid. With byproduct formic acid. Now let us discuss second identification test. In second identification test is from cearic ammonium nitrate. From cearic ammonium nitrate. Now in this one, you take 2 moles of any alcoholic compound. You take 2 moles of any alcoholic compound is treated with cearic ammonium nitrate. The formula of cearic ammonium nitrate is NH4 twice and cerium NO3 6. Now in this one, in 6 moles of nitrate group, 2 moles is replaced to 2 alcohols. That is, red color complex is observed. The red color complex is observed. The byproduct is 2 moles of ammonium nitrate. The byproduct is 2 moles of ammonium nitrate. From cearic ammonium nitrate, you take 2 moles of any alcoholic compound is treated with cearic ammonium nitrate to form red color compound, and the byproduct is 2 moles of ammonium nitrate. In third identification test is Lucas reagent test. Lucas reagent test. In Lucas reagent, what is Lucas reagent? Now HCl is treated in presence of anhydride zinc chloride. In the case turbidities appear immediately, the compound is tertiary alcohols. Turbidities appear within 5 minutes, that compound is secondary alcohols. No turbidities appear, that compound is primary alcohols. Now you take tertiary alcohols R3C OH. Now this tertiary alcohols is treated with low-cost reagent. Low-cost reagent. Tertiary alkyl halide is observed. Tertiary alkyl halide is observed. That means turbidity appears immediately. And again, secondary alcohols is treated with this low-cost reagent. Turbidity appears within 5 minutes by the formation of alkyl halide. Turbidity appears within 5 minutes. And you take primary alcohols RCH2OH. Now this primary alcohols is treated with this low-cost reagent. No turbidities appear or turbidities appear above 5 minutes. That means no reaction is observed. In the case of turbidities appears immediately, that solutions are tertiary alcohols, and turbidity appears within 5 minutes, that solutions are secondary alcohols. No turbidities appear, the result solution is primary alcohols. And fourth identification test of alcohol is from hot copper. From hot copper. Now again in this one, now primary alcohols is treated with hot copper in the conditions of 200 to 300 degrees to form aldehyde functional group. And in this one you take RCH2OH primary alcohols. Now this primary alcohols is treated with copper in the presence of 200 to 300 degrees centigrade to form aldehyde. By the elimination of H2 gas. And again you take secondary alcohols. Now the secondary alcohols is treated with copper in the presence of 200 to 300 degrees centigrade. Now the secondary alcohols is turns to ketone. Secondary alcohols is turns to ketone by the elimination of H2 gas. And again you take tertiary alcohols like CH3, COH and CH3, CH3. Now this tertiary alcohols is treated with copper in the presence of 200 to 300 degrees centigrade. The tertiary alcohol group is turns to alkenes. Tertiary alcohol is turns to alkene functional group by the liberation of H2 gas. Now fifth identification tests of alcohol. Now fifth identification tests of alcohol is Victor-Meyer test. Victor-Meyer test. In Victor-Meyer test, you take alcoholic compound. Now this alcoholic compound is treated with red phosphorus in the presence of hydrogen iodide. Now this iodide is replaced with this hydroxy group to form alkyl iodide. Now this alkyl iodide is treated with silver nitrate. Now this nitro group is replaced to iodine to form nitroalkane. Finally the results, the primary alcohols involving in this Victor-Meyer test to form or to give blood red color solution. And secondary alcohols are treated involving in this Victor-Meyer test to give blue color solution. And tertiary alcohols is treated test are involving in this Victor-Meyer test, no color solution is observed. That means does not observe any color solution. In our syllabus, only one identification test of phenol is observed. In our syllabus, only one identification test of phenol is available. That is neutral FeCl3 test. Neutral FeCl3 test. In this one, you take 6 moles of phenols. In this one, you take 6 moles of phenol. Now, the 6 moles of phenol is treated with FeCl3. Now, red color complex is observed. That is C6H5O6 and Fe whole 3-. These are the red color complex is observed. The byproduct is 3 moles of HCl is observed. Thank you for listening patiently.